Xiaoxuan, go and unload the truck in front.
Okay.
Hi Li Ji. Hey brother Zhang.
You see, I am the new here. Hope you can help me in the future. Why did my last forklift driver leave?
Come on. Take a look at the battery cover. Take a look at the battery cover.
为什么
Why wasn't
不
it
是这两个电
replaced
池
because
坏
the
了换
batteries
的
were
吗？
broken?
Because last driver added water using the bucket. The water that leaked out for a long time directly ruined the battery. If it is not discovered in time, the other batteries would be destroyed.
So how do you add water? This hole is so small that it leaks if you don't pay attention.
Li Ji, please tell me. Don't be so polite. In fact, I came here to tell you that since last time our factory has bought professional water adding tools. Just insert the water gun into this valve port. Cooperate with the liquid level sensor head. Press the switch button, and it will stop by itself when the water is full. This squirt gun tool, compact size. When you're not using it, put it in a box, pick it up and go.
Why? So useful. Thanks, Li Ji, for your remind.